Yeah. Uh, so Lochan, you can introduce yourself.
I'm Lochin and I'm 11.
Hello. What is the name? Like who has joined from Bhavika? What is your name?
My name is Krish.
Okay, Krish.
Not Krish, Krish.
Okay.
Teacher? Teacher?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
We can listen. Okay. So what are you studying? Which standard are you in? Can you hear me? Okay. Which standard are you in?
I am on first standard.
Very good. Okay. And Lochan, the other person?
Teacher means fifth,
Which standard, Lochan? Which grade?
fifth grade.
Fifth grade. Okay.
Okay.
So
Great.
what you have to tell is Lochan and your name, Chris. So you had to introduce yourself. You are in from which place, which standard or grade you are in, so that we will get an idea which school you are going to, and what made you to join chess. Can you brief these 3 points? Your name, your grade, your place, and what made you to join chess? Can you tell again?
My name is Lochin and my grade's fifth grade. And what made me, and I live in Michigan, USA. What made me join chess is like I've always liked it as a game, so I wanted to learn more about it.
Great, awesome. So you are interested in learning chess. Okay. Now you can speak. Yeah, you have to unmute and speak. We can't hear you.
I'm not speaking to you, I'm speaking to my mother.
Okay. Now you introduce yourself, your name, your grade, and which place in India, and what made you to join chess. Okay. Got it? Go ahead.
See. Uh, my name is Krish Taylor.
Okay.
I live in Pune.
Okay.
I like chess. That is why I joined.
Very good. Very good.
गुजराती आवड़े तो गुजराती में बोलो चाल से हाँ?
ઓકે ગુજરાતીમાં બોલજો ઓકે ગુજરાતીમાં
Okay. Okay, Anand sir, we can start. Do you guys have chessboard with you? Krish and Lochan? Chessboard, coins.
I only have a chessboard and all the chess materials.
Okay.
Yeah. Sayed, do you want to add something?
Okay. I joined from my laptop.
Yes.
Okay. I'll
I
just
just admitted.
I'll leave here. Yeah. So can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay,
Can you
okay.
mute another one because we can hear two sounds?
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So I have left that.
No, no, we can hear you. We can hear two sounds.
Okay.
From the mobile and
Can you make
now again I can hear two sounds.
correct? Can you delete me?
Okay, so which one to delete? Like I can see two. Okay, the one with video off, right?
Yes.
Okay, I need to remove, right?
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Thank you. Is it audible? Am I audible to everybody?
No, no, yeah, perfect. Now perfect.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
let me make you the co-host.
thank you.
In case my internet connection fails, then okay.
Yeah. So hello everyone. Hello kids. And you two are interested to join chess. That we are really happy. So this is how the summer camp. You can see, no? What's your name? Can you tell me once again? It is showing as Bhavika and Lochan, and the other one is Bhavika's son. Sayed, what's his name?
Teacher, my name is not Bhavika. My name is Krish. It is
Krish.
written Bhavika over there.
Yeah, that's okay. Krish. Okay, and Lochan. Now,
Not Krish. Krish.
Krish. Okay. Okay. Now it's okay. Okay. See, this summer camp designed for chess is for the mainly for the kids who are new to chess. So I hope you all know where chess is evolved from, which country. It is originated from India. So many years back, more than 100 years back, 200 years back. So chess is a mind game, right? It is all about logical thinking and how we move the pawns. There are so many pieces. We will discuss about all those things step by step. So chess introduction, we will start with chess introduction. It has originated, the chess game has started in India, first in India, and then it has spread across all over the globe. Okay, so as you know, there are two things in chess, right? There is a chess board and there are pawns, right? There are pawns. So there is a white pawns and there is a black, right? And we play with two people. Chess is played with two people, right? So you and me, two people can play, and one has to choose the black, the other has to choose the white. Okay, so this is called pawn. So you can identify this pawn, right? Yes, right, great. If you can tell me if you have any doubts. I will move on to the next.
Okay.
After pawn there is a king. Okay, there is a king. This is the symbol of king. Okay, in chess, this is how the plus sign, can you see on the top, plus sign? This is king. I will explain how to make each and every pieces later, but I'm giving you the introduction of pawn, king, all these things which is part of the chess. Okay, but you have to recognize these pieces. Okay, that is the reason why we are telling this is king.
Okay.
What is this?
Yeah.
Pawn.
Okay,
Yes.
Anand sir, after explaining these coins, so I will, without the label, I will show them and we will ask them what is this piece, right?
Awesome, great.
Yeah,
Yes.
Okay. So I'm
Yeah.
making the presentation right now. So we'll ask them what is this piece. So if they are not able to recollect, then we can show them with the names.
Sure. That will be great.
Okay.
So now this is queen. Can you see the symbol of the queen?
it is something similar to this without plus sign. It's a queen. Okay, this is called queen. Okay, we will show you again, but you have to try to remember. Okay, now what is bishop? What is bishop? Bishop is nothing but camel. Okay, in normal word, it is called camel. Okay, and we will tell how to move each and every piece after this introduction. Okay, are you with me, Krish? And Lochan? Okay,
Yes.
okay, good. And now this is, what is this knight? How does it look like? Can you tell me how does it look like? The
A
face?
horse.
Horse. Yeah, horse. It looks like an horse, right? So how to move these pawns and pieces, I'll tell. Horse is also called as knight. K-N-I-G-H-T, knight. Okay, K is silent, knight. Okay, and now somebody is writing on the screen. Okay, you need to erase that. You need to erase that. Okay, now what is this rook? Rook called? Rook is also called as elephant in the normal language. In chess, it is called rook.
Do
It is
you guys
called
know? Do you guys know elephant?
elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant is the one of the biggest mammal, right? It's the biggest animal on the earth, right? Which is the biggest animal on the sea? You know?
Blue whale.
Yeah. Which one? Is it
Teacher, biggest animal is T-Rex on the world. T-Rex.
blue whale? Blue whale is the biggest animal on the sea, right? On the not on the earth, but in the sea. It's a blue whale. Okay.
And Bososaurus is bigger than blue whale.
Correct.
Bososaurus is a dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Okay. Have you seen the dinosaur?
Yeah.
Cool.
No
So
dinosaur, how do they look like?
very good. So we don't have dinosaur or anything like that in chess. We have only, what is this?
Yes,
It's
I
a
know.
elephant.
Yes, I know that.
Very good.
Yes, I
very good.
know that.
Yeah, okay. So
Yes,
what
I
is
know.
this? What is this rook called? Rook is also called as which animal? Rook
Elephant.
is elephant. Elephant. Rook is called elephant, right? In chess. Now this is the chessboard. What is this chessboard is all about? It's all about white and black squares. Can you see? Alternate white, one after the other aligned, right? So one is white, the other square is black, and like that it goes on. So can you see? Can you see how many squares are there in this chessboard? How many squares are there in the chessboard? There are so many squares. We'll discuss
Can
about
you
this.
count? What is
Yeah.
the number of blocks?
Yeah. How many rows? How many columns? You can count one by one. Hi Lochan, you can actually turn on your video if you want to. We'll be happy to see you. You want to turn on? Okay. So I will tell you. We will explain you how many squares are there. There are 8 rows. There are 8 columns. 8 into 8, 64. So in that, how many squares are white and how many squares are black? Lochan, do you want to answer to this question?
Yes, it is 8.
8. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. And like this, if you count all these squares, 8 into 8 is how much? 8
64.
into 8. Yeah, very good. 64. Do you agree with me?
Perfect.
Both white
Good
and
answer.
black. Yeah. So white and black is are of the same number. In 64, how many whites are there? How many blacks are there? Can you count? How many white squares are there? How many black
32.
squares are there? Yes, 32. Why it is 32? Because, yeah, tell
Yes.
me.
Half of 64.
Half of it, 64. Correct, correct. So good. This is what is a logical answer, logical thinking is required in chess, right? Very good. And I really appreciate your interest. Now, this is all about now, Sayed. Okay, now our Devendra will show you one quiz, small quiz, without telling the text, showing the text, pawn, something like that. You have to recognize the symbol or the image, right? So Sayed, I will stop sharing the screen. Can you show them without the without the word? Hello.
Teacher,
Yes.
we
Tell
have
me.
to take the chessboard here, not.
Yeah, I will show you. I will show you. Okay, Devendra has left. I don't know why. He will join it in some time. So now, okay. Now what happens? What is this? Can you tell me what is this?
Pawn.
Pawn. Okay, pawn. How
I
pawn
thought
will
it is
move?
the name.
Yeah, it is just a name. Look, now let us go to online chess. Has anybody seen the online chess by any chance? How the board will look like? Board. Okay, online chess. Online chess. Okay. Now, okay. Can you see the chessboard here, all of you?
I've played this before. It's called chess.com.
Chess.com. Okay. Now, that's great. See here, can you see what is this? What are
Pawn.
these? Okay,
Pawns.
pawns. And which is king?
The one with the crown.
Okay, crown. Okay. And which is the queen?
The one with the crown. The king is the one with the cross.
Right, right. And what is this? I am showing you the mouse. What is this next to the king?
Bishop.
Bishop. Bishop is also called as camel. Okay, this is a camel. Bishop is also called as. Oh, very good. There you go. I can see you. We're great, great. What is this? What is this? The horse symbol.
Horse.
Horse.
This
Horse.
is bishop.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is bishop. And the
Correct.
camel.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And,
Hello.
and I have bring in more of them. I have bring in more of them.
Okay. What is this? The last one which I'm
Rook.
showing. Rook. Rook is also called as elephant.
Elephant.
Okay. Now, how many pawns are there? How many white pawns are there in the chessboard?
8.
8. Okay. And Krish, you also agree with me? 8. Right? I had to unmute.
8.
8. Okay. Now, how many rooks are there in
Two.
white? 2 white rooks. How many horses are there? Or how many
Two.
knights are there? 2. How many bishops are there? White bishops?
2.
2. How many king and how many queen?
1 queen, 1 king.
Very good. Do you agree the same? This is the same with black also. Black also it's the same thing, right? Okay. Now, do you know how to move the pawn?
Yes.
Okay. Now let us play. Okay. Oh, we have to log in. Okay. Okay. Let me log in. Okay.
Teacher,
Yeah.
how to play that online chess?
Yeah.
I
I'll
want
teach.
to also play online chess.
Okay. I'll teach you. I'll teach you. I'll teach you. So now play online. Okay. So how do we play online chess? Let us see.
It's the same as chess except online.
Yes. Do you know the website which
Yeah,
which is
chess.com.
chess.com? Okay. So play online beginner. Okay. Play as guest. Okay. Now we will be playing. Okay. Play custom game. Play. See here. Can all of you see this? This I am
Teacher,
touching.
like what happens? Because I already know how to play this, so
I had to tell him, tell Chris also, no? That is the reason. Okay. I had to teach him also for today. Okay, introduction. Okay. Please bear with me. And okay, now pawn. How to move the pawn? Can you move the pawn 1 or 2 steps?
you can move it 2 times on the first move.
On the first
Only
move,
one.
you can move 1, right? You can move 1. Why it is not moving? Rematch. Why it is not playing? Okay. Do you know anything? Can you share your screen? Lochan, can you share your screen? Can you show your screen? The game of chess.
Okay.
Yeah, you can share your screen. I'll wait for you.
Teacher, I don't know how to share screen.
Okay, now Lochan is sharing. Okay, Lochan is sharing.
How to share screen? Tell me.
Yeah, I will teach you later. There is a share screen in the below in Zoom. You can click on that to share the screen. Okay, later you can.
This- This is
Yes, correct.
the website. You just have to type
Mhm.
chess.com.
Yeah,
Then
and
you can
now.
click the computer or online.
Mhm. Play as guest.
Then you press play.
Okay.
And since I'm white, I can press. You have to press
Okay.
the pawns first.
Mhm.
I'll show you like 2 dots.
Yeah.
And you have to tap on the pawn,
Okay.
like with your finger if you're on iPad or anything, or with your mouse if you're on laptop.
Right.
And you can choose to put a 1 square or 2 square like that.
Right. Correct. Very good. Did you get it? Chris, did you get it?
But I get it, but I don't know where to click the button. Where's
Yeah.
the share screen button?
Yeah. So now I will show you. Let me share the screen. Okay, let me share the screen. Now, see why it is not moving. Let me play computer. Okay. Now, okay, see. Okay. So this is the move which I'm playing. See, okay, did you see? He's playing. He has also played. Now, I can see there are two things. I can move to this, or I can kill this. Kill means I can hit this, the opponent. So this is how it is. So now once I play, the other person also plays, the black plays. Now it is my turn. Now I had to kill this, or I can move this. Which one you want me to do, Lochan? And what is your suggestion?
Which one? I'd rather kill it.
Okay, I will hit it. Okay, killing or hitting. Okay, can you see this? This is how the movement of the pawn. Okay, now he has moved. Now you can see here, what is this? What is this?
Knight.
Yeah. So now I don't want to, I want to move the best move. Okay, which one you suggest me to move? Which one shall I play?
I'd choose the knight on your right side because if you use
Hmm.
your queen to kill the pawn,
Right. Okay,
the
now,
rook will kill it.
yeah, what I will do, I will move this. I will move this horse.
Teacher, wait.
It's the right. It's the
Horse.
right.
No.
The
I will
right
move the
one.
horse. I will move the horse from here to here.
Teacher,
No,
teacher,
Yeah.
teacher,
Okay.
teacher, get the sati in her head and move the elephant.
Move the elephant. I can't move the elephant because there is no. I can't move. It is
Because
blocked.
we don't have a space, right?
Yeah, there is no
Because we
space.
can't
See?
have space.
A teacher.
But,
I'd rather
But-
move the horse
but
on the
wait.
right.
but sir, wait, your king is opened.
Yeah, king is open. I can move the king, but we should not move the king as of now. And I can't move the.
Yes,
I-
but someone can hit king.
Yeah, I will.
That's
I will
what-
protect. I will teach you the basics. Let us do one thing. I will teach you the basics. Okay. Now, I will move this.
No,
Horse.
teacher, no.
No?
I think that's a wrong move because then your king's still open.
Okay, that's okay. Let me move this. So, but I'm teaching you the movements. I'm teaching you the movements. Okay, not the intention to win. Okay, now I will be moving this pawn to here. All right, I'll be moving this pawn to here. Okay, now what is the next move you recommend? What is the next move?
So you move it.
Wait. I think you can move the horse and
Horse. Okay.
jump from here.
Yes. Shall I move the horse?
Not this horse, that horse.
Okay, no, this horse is also not good. So now what I will do one thing. Okay, I will
Move the
do.
pawn.
I will move
pawn, like
this
right
pawn.
above the. Yeah.
This pawn. Okay, I will
Yeah.
move this. I will move this. Now he has moved from here to here. Okay. Now what is the what? So I'm just showing you the movements. Okay, not to win. Now what is this in the C
That's
position?
bishop.
Bishop.
Bi-
How bishop moves? I'm showing you.
Diagonal.
It can move in the diagonal. Okay, I'm not moving. I'm just showing you. Okay, just getting you familiar with the moves. Okay, and king can move any one square only. And
Mhm.
now this is the rook or the
Mhm.
elephant. There is no only this elephant can move only to this square. But right now I'm not interested to move this. Now, what is the next move? What is the next move? Can you tell me? Which is a better move?
Think maybe you should.
I will
move-
come here. Shall I come here?
No, like just to no, because if you do that, you're going to lose your knight, but he'll lose his bishop. But it's not worth take a risk to lose your knight.
Okay, okay, fine.
So
What you
I
what?
think
Yeah.
I think you should move that pawn, this pawn, like right above the right knight,
Mm-hmm.
2
Here.
spaces. No, no, that one, the one below. Yeah, 2
One?
spaces.
No, if I do this, he will
Mhm.
kill me, and I will have to kill this. Then I will be in a bad shape. Okay,
Yes.
this is not good.
But then your
This is-
queen will come in.
yeah, correct. Yeah. So, but still, you had okay. Now you should not be doing this. I can't see this. Chris, I am not able to say anything. Sorry, I can't say anything. You have to undo all these things. Yeah, please don't do anything, please. Okay, now what I will do, I will move from here to here. I'm just showing you the movement. Okay, I'm just showing you the movement. Okay, yeah, see, he has gone back. He has gone back. Okay, he doesn't want to hit this. Now, what I will do, the next move is, I would rather, I will go
Teacher,
from, yes, I'll go from
teacher,
here to here. Yeah.
teacher, why
Yeah.
is not beating me? I will tell you. Because
Yeah, tell me.
he will kill the horse, the
Hmm.
Sathi will be killed him.
Okay,
That's
now
why
you tell
I
me.
think that.
Okay, you tell me the movement, which is better.
I'm telling that
Mhm.
don't come on the end because her Sathi can kill me.
Correct. So what shall I do now?
You just you just move here on
I
the
am moving from here to
second
here.
one.
I want to move from here to here to kill this. Next step. Shall I do that?
Okay.
Okay, I
Oh,
did it. Oh, he has moved from here to here. Okay, that's okay. Now what I will
you will
do?
kill him.
Yes,
Wait. You will kill him. Elephant can kill you.
yes, you are right. So now what I will do? I will do one thing.
Just, just hit the that side one. That side, not this side one. That's Sonic. It's also called Sonic. That's why.
Okay. So we'll do one thing. I will move from here to here. Okay. Just
Mm.
for the protection. For the protection. Oh, he has come back from here to here. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Now I will do one thing. Okay. So shall I move from here to here?
No, just move the Sati ahead. It will kill the Sati.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now again I'm moving from here to here. Okay.
It will kill the Sati, not this
Ah,
horse.
see, he has gone back. Why did he go back? Any idea? Why did he go back? If I had
No,
come here, he was in
no,
queen would
no,
have.
no idea. But your horse can kill king on next turn to next turn.
Okay, okay. So now, guys. Okay. Now tell me one thing. I want to kill this bishop from my knight. Shall I do that or not?
No, I think her horse can kill us.
Correct, correct. So what shall I do now?
Uh, just move the just Move the king.
Okay, just move the king. If I move the king from here to here or here to here, is it a good move? I don't want to.
Just move the king over here on this side.
Okay. Now I want to do this. I want to move
Okay,
from,
do
I want
that.
to, yeah. Next, I want to do castling. Have you heard of castling?
Dazzling means
Yes, I've heard of it. I know how you do it.
Yeah, okay. Now I'll come back because pawn will hit me. See, he's going back. Okay, now I will do king. This is king side castling or queen side castling. If I do this,
okay, do that. I don't think
yeah,
so.
yeah, this is
Anything.
called queen side castling. Okay, and now what I will do? I will do one thing. Okay, and now
But don't kill the horse. But don't kill them horse.
okay,
The
okay,
Sati can kill.
right, I understand. Okay, so what is the next move? What shall we do that next?
I know. Oh, only bring the elephant ahead. Elephant, not this side elephant. Over
This
that
side
side
elephant.
elephant. Not
Okay,
this side.
this side.
Not this
Next to the,
side. No,
yeah,
that
okay,
side.
okay.
Move
So,
that elephant this side. On
okay,
this block. Green block.
in this green block. Why should I do that?
Just do it.
Just because this is new.
Okay, let me do
And
that.
your then turn came.
Mhm. Now he has gone
Bring
back. Queen has gone back. Now what will be his move? You know, he will come from here to here to 6 white because he wants to kill this. So we need to protect this pawn. Next step. So shall I move
okay.
this now? Shall I move this here to here?
No. Just
Okay.
just bring just bring the queen and kill this Sanic. But don't
Mhm,
wait. Don't kill the Sanic. Wait.
mhm.
I think your elephant to go ahead. This side
Ele-
elephant.
This side elephant.
No, not that. This
This
side.
elephant. Okay.
But next time open the way to come the elephant ahead.
Okay. Okay. So I will do one thing. Let me do one thing. I will try to do this. But you are getting a fair idea, right, on the movements on the chess. That's important. All right.
Yes, I'm getting. I know just how to play. I'm so smart on chess.
Very good. Very good. So now I will do one thing.
I
I will move from here to here. Oh no. What did I do? I want to
wait.
move from here to here. I
Just
want to
bring
move
the horse ahead
here.
over this side.
Yes. Yes, I'll do that.
But see, any problem is there. Wait.
Mhm. Mm.
The bring sorry, bring the camel across to the horse.
Here.
Yes, over there. And in next turn, bring the elephant ahead.
Okay.
I
Okay.
just wanted to bring the elephant ahead and kill the other elephant.
Very nice. Very nice. So the problem is, if I move this here, then he will move here. Then I'll lose one of the bigger pawns. Right? So I don't want to get killed. Now I'll do one thing. Ah.
He will move here. In the next turn, you can kill him. In
Correct.
your turn, you can kill him. Move ahead on that.
Oh, right. Okay. I will do that. What I will do?
Not him.
This one?
The camel.
No, I don't want to move the camel. You know why? If I move the camel from here to here, then he will bring the pawn from here to here. Then I will lose one of the big pawns, either this or this, right?
Wait. You in the next turn, the camel can kill him because camel goes cross.
Okay, okay. Shall I do that?
Try it. Try.
Oh God, he has moved from here to here. Any reason?
What we will do now? Just bring the elephant ahead.
Yes.
He will bring
Now,
ahead. Your Sati can kill him.
correct. So now, what I want to do is two things. I want to give, I want to move this knight from here to here. Is that a good move? Or this horse from here to here?
I think it is not a good move.
Why?
Queen can kill us.
Correct. But if queen can kill, then I have a pawn here to kill. I have a protection, right? I have a pawn protection.
Oh, okay. Right. The pawn can kill.
Yes.
Right.
So shall I move this knight or this horse to here? I can move either this or this. Which is better?
Any horse over there. But
Yes.
wait.
Okay. I will do one thing. I will do one thing.
Problem anymore.
I will do one thing. I'll do one thing. I will move this from here to here. Okay.
I think it is not a protection.
Not a good move.
I think it is good move.
Yes.
But
Yeah. Yes. But I am
bring it
also
up.
thinking this is a better move or this is a better move because tell me why.
Wait. Let me see any problem is there. Wait.
No. Okay.
I think any problem is there.
No, I think I can move any of these. Okay.
And
I'll do one thing. I will move this from here to here.
oh my God, you have opened the way to come all and kill the Sathi. You have opened the way. Don't do that.
Okay, I will do this. Okay.
Okay.
This is better. Okay. Oh
Why are
God.
you laughing?
No, see this. What
Yeah.
happened? See what happened now. King has moved to protect this. Now the challenge is,
Have water. Here.
yeah. Now the challenge is, do you know what is the challenge now? Okay. I want to kill this from here to here. Shall I? No. Shall
Wait,
I or no?
I cannot see you.
You cannot see?
Wait, wait.
Lochan, any
Which
inputs
side
from
you
your
want
side?
to bring over there? Which side you want to bring over there?
Lochan, you can also speak up.
So
Which is a better move?
your horse is in
I-
danger. Like, I think your horse should stay there, because just in case if you
Yes.
kill it.
Right. So now, what I want to do is,
I think horse will kill the king of them.
let us see. Let me see.
If the
Um,
king kills the horse, the pawn will be there.
mhm.
So
Alright, just try it. You will win this game.
if the king, like, so I think you should move the other horse.
No, I think you should move that horse.
No, I think you should move the other horse to like
No, I
to
think
the
you
left,
should move
kind of.
that horse.
So it's under the
Yeah,
black bishop.
Anand sir, from the next class, we'll have match between Krish and
Yes.
Lochan. Okay.
Very good idea. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you
So,
should move the other
Yeah.
horse like
okay, other horse.
to the under the other bishop, because then just in case if the king moves back, it'll be
Not
check.
that horse. That horse only. Move that horse only to kill the camel thief.
Yeah,
Kill the
like this.
camel.
No, like one below. No,
This
the
one?
other horse. Yes,
From here to where?
to the left. Yeah, that horse. I think you should move it to the left.
Okay. No, if I move it to here, then I will get killed.
Yeah, by the knight. Yeah.
Yeah.
And also the bishop. Yeah.
Then I think you should move it back left so your bishop can kill the other one. The pawn will kill the knight. So yeah, the bishop.
Mhm.
Mm,
Okay, I will do one thing. I will kill.
I think that's a bad idea because now the rooks. Yeah,
Now you see.
you can kill the queen.
Now you see my move. I want to kill this next. Hey, no. See here. I can kill from here to here, isn't it? Yes.
Yeah.
But there is a problem if I kill that. Shall I do this? Shall I kill this? From horse to this pawn, shall I kill? And again, I can come back if I am in a trouble. Yes, no, I will do this. Okay. Okay, now you see the game. Now I will come from here to here. Is that a good idea to kill this next? Yes, no. Yes, I will do that. Okay. See, he came here to protect this. Did he get it? Yes. Now, here is the thing. I can kill from my bishop to this pawn. Is that a good idea? to kill this? Yes, no. Shall I? Okay, I will kill anyway. Okay. Oh, no. I can do this now. Here. Getting it, guys? Now you see the magic. You want to see the magic? Shall I move this horse from here to here? Shall I? No. Okay. I will do one thing. I will move this horse from here to here. That is a safer move, isn't it? Yes. See, he came here to protect this. Are you getting the idea why he is doing that? Now you see, I will come, this queen, I will move from here to here. I saw that in the next move, I can kill either this or this. Do you agree with me? I can't hear you, Chris. You are on mute. You are on mute. You had to unmute before you speak. Chris, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. You had to unmute. Okay, no problem.
Teacher,
Yeah.
just the make the queen over the yes, over there.
Very good suggestion. Very good suggestion. So I will do that.
Now the elephant cannot kill the horse because queen can kill it.
Oh, see, he came here. He came here. Now I can kill this. Do you agree with me? If I kill this.
Yes, kill it. Kill it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I don't know Arya next.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
kill it. I don't know Arya.
I will do that.
But I think the Sonic now kill the Sonic all let them kill it. What now?
Now are you getting now? I will do this. I want to move this from here to here.
No, don't move it.
Why?
Move it. Just move it. The queen can kill that.
Or shall I kill this in the next move?
No, just bring it over here. Yes.
Oh, what happening? What's happening? Okay. Now,
Idea you have.
now see here. I can kill this pawn either
But
from here
don't kill
or
it.
from here.
But don't kill it. Don't kill it. The
Why?
elephant can kill it.
Okay, okay. Okay. So now I'll do one thing. I want to kill from here to here. Okay?
Don't kill it. Don't kill it. I have said it. The elephant can kill it.
Let him. If the elephant kills, I have my white elephant to kill too.
Oh, that is a good idea.
Yes.
Now you see.
And also we have the bishop. Also we have the bishop.
Oh,
Also
game
we have
over.
bishop.
Game over. Checkmate.
Check.
No, one more move. Is it checkmate? Yeah. I won. You won. You guys did it.
We won.
Great. Okay. We are 1-0 lead. Hooray. Hip hip hooray. Wow. Wow. Wow.
We won. We won.
Yeah. So was it a good game? Was it a good game?
It
So
is a
now-
good game. But
Yeah.
we won, but we didn't kill the king.
Yes. Now, you know, today was an introduction class. You got the basic idea of how on the pawn movements, the bishop movement, rook movement, all these movements, right? Now you got an idea. Now we have to apply the logic. When is the next class there?
We'll discuss and we'll share in the group. Okay.
Sure, sure.
I
Okay.
I have said and we
Hmm.
will won. I have said it. We
Good.
will won.
But how was the class today? I want to hear from both of you.
It's very great glass. I love this glass. Ah!
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Not tomorrow.
Love.
On Sunday or Monday. We'll meet on Monday again. Okay. Happy weekend. So Sayed. Okay. Dev, how was it? Hi Dev. Dev, are you there? Hello. Okay. Let me stop and end the recording.